Hello. Well, I'm afraid not, John. It looks as though there is going to be far more changeable than it was last week. Now, normally at this time of year, the high pressure across the Azores is right up across the United Kingdom, giving a spell of dry, settled weather. But for this week, it is going to be to the south, and that will allow these weather fronts to just come in from the Atlantic from time to time, bringing with them some cloud and some rain. And it looks as though by the end of the week, those weather fronts will be getting up against that Azores high, and that means by then it should be a good deal more settled. Now, what a difference a day makes then. Quite changeable weather, as I said. Yesterday it was very wet at Muirfield for the Gulf. Today a fine day, temperatures around 18 degrees. And for the rest of us as well, a generally dry and fine day. The thickest cloud on the eastern side, and that's giving one or two showers. Out to the north and the west though, this is the next weather front that's going to come in during this evening and overnight, and that will bring some rain. We'll certainly see the cloud increasing this afternoon for Scotland and Northern Ireland, and it might just produce the odd spot of light rain into the west of Northern Ireland by the end of the afternoon. So this afternoon, generally dry and fine, just the odd shower, I think, down the east coast. Top temperatures today getting up to around 21 degrees, that's in the 70s Fahrenheit, quite acceptable really. And even in the east, Newcastle, for example, much better than yesterday. These are going to be quite similar, these temperatures, for the rest of the week, I think. In the sunshine, 21, 22, 23 is not impossible. And it does look, although it will be cool in the north to start off this week, things will warm up as the weather settles down during the end of the week, so Thursday, Friday and into next weekend. So for Monday, we're going to have a weak weather front across the United Kingdom through central areas. It won't produce too much in the way of rain, really just a nuisance factor, I think. It'll gradually head its way southwards, although the far south should stay dry and warm. Temperatures there around 23 degrees. Across Scotland and Northern Ireland, it should brighten up as the day wears on. Tuesday, though, a different matter altogether. A windy and a wet day with low pressure right across us. So it does mean a band of wet weather will head its way southeastwards during the day. Eventually, it should brighten up, I think, in parts of the south, but for Scotland, for Northern Ireland, it will stay cloudy with some further rain. For Wednesday, this is our difficult day to forecast at the moment. It looks as though it will generally be cloudy, with a band of rain coming in across southernmost areas, another one in the north. So the best chance of dry weather, well, that looks like being on the eastern side of England. Into Thursday, the weather begins to settle down, one or two showers in the east, but a good deal of dry and sunny weather for the end of the week. That's it from me for now.